One quick thing before we move on to the next activity, okay? Here is 28 inches squared, and here is 22 inches, okay? Oh, and actually, before we do that, I'm sorry. We didn't even decide who was correct, okay? So can you tell me really quickly who is correct? Was it Robbie or his friend? Okay. Carl. Robbie, why? It's supposed to be 28, and instead his friend said 22. Okay, before we move on, there's something that I saw while walking around is Robbie said 28 inches squared, whereas his friend said 22 inches, okay? Can you talk about the difference between that with your partner? What do you think his partner was doing and or his friend was doing, and what was Robbie doing? Okay? So talk about that with me, about the label. Okay?
Robbie doing it. So and if we didn't do the perimeter and the area, when you measure the area, it has to be square inches instead of just regular inches.
And how come square inches?
Because there's squares inside the area.
Do you agree? Yes. Do you have anything to add? No. Nothing at all. I like how you did that. So how many squares are inside here?
28.
Okay. So can someone really quickly, before we go to the next poster, or not really quickly, but share with the rest of the class what his friend was thinking and what Robbie was thinking? Erica? Okay. Why do you have to add the square inches? Why do you have to tell people inches squared or square inches? Why is that important with area? Lorraine?
So they know it's the area?
They know it's the area. And how do we measure area? How do we measure area? Alex? By square inches, because we physically have squares inside. Okay, so you ready for the next problem? Okay.